Hi, welcome to another video with Ashiwaju. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can integrate KLAVIYO with Shopify. So I want you to pay attention to this video, watch to the end, and avoid all distraction while I walk you through. If you're new on this channel, if this is the first time you're on this channel, I'm Moses Temitokwe, and I want you to click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new content like this. Now let's jump into the video. Yeah, you're welcome back. So the easiest way, let me say the easiest way to do this, once you have created the KLAVIYO account, then you need to have logged into the Shopify store at the same time. Log into the Shopify store and also finish creating your KLAVIYO account. Now let's click the home page. So I'll be doing this from scratch. Now we have logged into the Shopify store and at the same time we have logged into the KLAVIYO account. Continue. Now we have logged in today. Now continue. Now you're welcome back. So before we can do this, we must have logged in into our KLAVIYO account, and at the same time we must have logged in into our Shopify store. So now let's start. So now once we are on our KLAVIYO dashboard, now the next thing we need to do, we need to log into our Shopify store. Now let's come down to integrations right here. So now once we click on the integration, it takes us to another page. Now here we need to select the platform we want to integrate our KLAVIYO account with, which is the Shopify. We can search it here and type in Shopify and it brings us up. So now let's click on it. Now we're going to click on Shopify. So now once we click on it, it takes us to another page. Now this is where we need to connect our account. Now we go back to our Shopify store. Now let's copy the domain. Make sure you start with the name. This is where the name of the domain starts, and make sure the .myshopify.com is included in the domain. Now let's paste it here. Now that's how it's going to be. Let me just explain this more further. Now if we delete the domain and see here what it says is what says here, it said provide your Shopify store URL in this format. If we check inside this space, we see that there is an example on how we're going to input the URL. Provide your Shopify store URL in this format. Now see the format, my store, which means the name of your store, .myshopify.com. So that's the format you need to put your domain. Now let's paste the URL. So I've pasted the URL. This is the name of my store, everstone49.myshopify.com. Now once I put that, I'm going to tick the automatic add KLAVIYO on site JavaScript below. Now tick the collect email subscribers and choose where you want your list to store, which is the newsletter. Now you scroll down, tick on sync customer SMS. Possibly you might need that. Now tick on update Shopify profile, customer profile with KLAVIYO data. So now what you need to choose here is that you need to leave it here. No add-ons sell to customers within the EU. Now let's proceed. Now you come down here and click on update settings. Now once you click on update settings, this will take us back into our Shopify store. Now you see, this is very simple. Now you are about to install Klaviyo email marketing and SMS. Now let's scroll down and click on install app. Yeah, so once we click on install apps, then the app is going to install into your Shopify store automatically. Now it takes us back to Klaviyo again. Now we're going to click on this will pop up, confirm updating this integration, and click on update integrations. Now it's loading again. It's loading. So you can see this is very simple. Once the URL is correct, then you have no issue now. Now integration is updated. Now once you see these pop-ups, that means you're done, and all the steps, you're correct with all the steps. Now you need to click on it one more time. You click on it one more time, the update settings in the Klaviyo. Now this pop-up the second time, now you need to click on it again one more time. Now the same thing pop-ups, integration updated. Now you will see something here which says enable. Now integration Shopify is enabled. Now once you see this, now the integration is working perfectly. Now you can just go on to your Klaviyo and start setting up flows or sending campaigns, email templates now, or your sign up form. Now this is just simple step on how to integrate your Klaviyo with your Shopify account. So I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to smash the bell icon, and before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, tap the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new content like this. And if you have any question you want to ask me, drop it down in the comment section. Yeah, and if you have another topic you want me to do a tutorial video on, now drop it in the comment section so I will add it to my video list. Thanks for watching. See you next time.